As the world is facing unprecedented challenges, the way people and businesses work changes from day to day. Setting new building security requirements and creating the need for video solutions that keep up with the future. Meet the Honeywell 60 series IP cameras, an integrated enterprise video solution that helps you upgrade the security of your building while downgrading your liability costs. Safeguard your enterprise against unauthorized access with secure channel encryption that helps you protect sensitive data. Get more quality and more storage space than ever. The 60 series IP cameras deliver quality images at night and in low light conditions. It's easy to monitor and manage video content, and even easier to cut costs with images that take up to 50% less storage space. The Honeywell 60 series IP cameras can be used for video systems that comply with NDAA Section 889, making them an excellent fit for all applications where compliance is essential. Improve your building's efficiency with a cost-effective solution that seamlessly integrates with existing devices. Take control of your data. Actionable insights and real-time intelligence go hand in hand when you have built-in video analytics working for you. An easy setup is hard to miss. The 60 series IP camera setup can be done using Wi-Fi for a fast and simple install. Reinforce the security of your building with the Honeywell 60 series IP cameras with encrypted video stream.